Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok search bar not showing videos. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in TikTok. And once it loads, all you gotta do is tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But you are still having the issue, then what you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings app, all you gotta do is scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is locate TikTok and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app. Now what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that process is complete, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, all you gotta do is try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.